Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to cut your grass in your lawn or your backyard using your drilling machine. Because of corona shutdown, we are not able to go out to hire or buy anything, so whatever things are available at home, using that we have made a grass cutter which is also working well. You can see this area we have just cleaned out. It works well, but be careful because of the blade and the drilling machine. You have to handle it very careful, otherwise you may get hurt. So be careful while using this. So we are going to make a grass cutter using two blade. Socket comes in a female socket, and this one comes in your breaker switch. Okay, and a 6 mm rod and little bit of heralded. Okay. First we are going to place like this and paste this with heralded. So just like a fan wing. We have pasted this and used a clip to hold it tight. Let it dry. This and now we are inserting. What we'll do is just tight this one. So this will not move now. Okay. This is tightly fit. Okay. This is the earth point of a female plug point which was broken. We have given a cut for comfortable fitting. This has been tightened up with the wire connector used in breakers. Now we will fit the blade into this. So the blade is ready here after being pasted with heralded. Be careful, it may cut. For a comfortable hold, use your cutting pliers so that you don't use your hand. So this is ready. The fan is ready now. We can use our drilling machine to cut the grass, but be very careful. These blades may break if the notch with a stone. So wear your safety shoes. Okay, and be careful while cutting this. If you want to tighten this, we are going to screw it clockwise. So to see the blade doesn't remove, we have to change the machine to anti-clockwise mode. So I have changed this to anti-clockwise mode, so this will not get loosened when it is running. So you have to cut from the top, don't go to the bottom immediately. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button next to my subscription button to get my regular updates. Thank you. Bye bye.